Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by choosing a scale. I recommend 110, so a real 4. 7M BMW M4 becomes about 470 mm long. Measure and note key dimensions in millimeters. Length 470, width 190, height 135 for the model. Sketch 3 views, side, top, and front, and mark panel lines. Assume 5 mm cardboard thickness for structural pieces. Gather tools: a sharp utility knife, a metal ruler, PVA glue, a hot glue gun, clamps, and 200 grit sandpaper for finishing edges. Transfer scaled templates to single-ply 5 mm cardboard and cut pieces with a utility knife, making one smooth pass per cut for clean edges. Form the main shell by bending scored lines and use internal ribs spaced every 50 mm to maintain shape. Glue ribs with hot glue and let set. For wheel arches, double the cardboard and glue a 5 mm reinforcing strip inside. Sand all edges with 200 grit sandpaper. Check symmetry and adjust with small filler pieces where gaps exceed 2 mm. Smooth seams using air-dry clay or paper putty to fill gaps up to 2 mm, and sand again with 200 grit until uniform. Apply a thin primer coat, let dry 60 minutes, then spray 2 thin coats of acrylic automotive paint for an even finish. Allow 30 minutes between coats. Create headlights from clear plastic, affix decals, and make tires from dense foam or stacked cardboard rings painted matte black. Finally, attach mirrors and interior trim. Display the 110 BMW M4 model on a 300 mm base.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.